is great to play capo on the 2nd fret. We're going to be using A. We're also going to be using a D sus2. I want you to try this intro with some open strings and try and think of an up and then a downstroke and leading straight into this A chord. And then you've got some straight hits, okay? Now that keeps going, and then the lyric that you hear of the calling all the stars to fall. Now I do think it's this chord which is a bit fancy. Now if you don't like that, but I'm going to show it you first. A D chord without your middle finger, that's a D sus2, and the little finger here on the 4th fret in relation to capo on string D. Now bear with me, because if you don't like that, there's another way around it, but I think it's that of the calling all the stars to fall. F major 7, catch the silver sunlight in your hand. Now if you don't like that, you could just use a normal D sus2. Calling all the stars to fall, catch the silver sunlight in your hand. And you want to be really, really kind of prominent with those down hits. It's quite a forceful rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am going to use that, but don't be put off if you don't like that. Try the D sus2. The F major 7 then going along 2 frets is kind of replicating a G as well, but I just think it works nice to do that. Calling all the stars to fall, catch the silver sunlight in your hand. Then it goes again. Comfort me, set me free, lift me up and take me where I stand. I'm also hitting the odd upstroke as well, just to get a nice feel for the rhythm. Now that just keeps going until I waited for 1,000 years for you to come and blow me out my... Now then hear mine. Now that bit introducing the chorus part, I do think there's some other guitars maybe going, but I just think if you're playing it on your own, it's easier to get those opens. Now then when it then gets into the chorus, hey, Lyla, A, normal D, and it's on that Lyla. Hey, stars about to fall, so what you say, Lyla, heaven help you. So you're seeing something slightly different here of A, D, A, G, D, and then back to A. The last one, hey, Lyla, heaven help you catch me if I fall. And then we're back in, so that's where it brings in that E chord. I don't think this song Lyla gets enough love. I think it's a great song with this really, really dominant rhythm that's going to get you used to moving through these changes a little more straighter, a bit more sharper. So give Lyla a go for me this week. Let me know in the comments below what Oasis song you'd like me to do next. And if you're still watching this and you're not subscribed to my YouTube, please hit that subscribe button.